The first one will be with Rai and on Chitha Chora Muraliwala. Um, Before even I get into the bhajan, this bhajan was composed by one of the students' mother or her brother, or his brother, I think. So I do not know one of them, but Ravi Teja used to be here in the U.S. and he is working for Swami in Puttaparthi right now, and it is his family who composed this bhajan. Either it is his brother or his mother, I do not know for sure, but it has been sung first time in Shivam, and we heard this, and this is one bhajan which, as soon as I heard, I said, Swami, this is some bhajan which anybody can sing across the world. It is so beautifully composed with simple words and simple tune, yet it is something new. And so let's go ahead and start with Trai this session. Trai, before I get into the musical part of this, can I go ahead and ask you to read each line one by one, and we will see how you do in terms of the lyrics, okay?
Okay. Chitta Chora Muraliwala, Nandalala Nandagopala, Nandalala Nandalala, Brindavana Shyama Gopala, Madhura Vraja Gokula Bala, Mana Mohana Madana Gopala, Nandalala Nandalala,
Mm.
Nandalala Nandagopala, Nandalala Nandalala.
Perfect. I think you did pretty good with every line. There's only one difference is it's Mathura Vraja. Can you say that word?
Mathura Vraja.
Yeah, because in the difference between Sanskrit and Tamil is in Tamil we can say ta and da in the same way, whereas in a Sanskrit we have to say Mathura. So Mathura, Vraja, Gokula, Bala. So if you really want me to go through a little bit on the meaning very briefly, Chitta Chora is one. Can I check if you are already aware of these meanings? Chitta Chora means what?
No.
Okay, no worries.
Yeah.
So yeah, it is one who has stolen about your heart. The chitta means, it's your heart, the stealer of your heart. And Muraliwala, it means what?
I don't really
Oh,
know.
no worries. Murali is nothing but the flute, one who plays the flute. Okay. Nandalala is the child of Nanda. So Nandalala, Nanda Gopala. Gopala is one who really was, taking care of lots of cows and, all the cow, all the other, so Gopala means one who protected cows, and Nandalala, Nandalala, Brindavana, Shyama Gopala is Brindavan is the place where Krishna had lived, and Shyama Gopala means basically he is in a color of slight blue. Shyama means blue, slightly darker in complexion. That's what it means. And Shyama Gopala. Gopala is again the same word which we did. Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala. Mathura is one more place where Lord Krishna lived. And Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala. Mana Mohana. Mana Mohana means one again who has been, who is very pleasing to everybody's heart. Mana Mohana. Madana Gopala. Okay. So, and Nandalala Nandalala, and Nanda Gopala. So basically, it's all various ways of saying Krishna's name. It's a basically a Namavali, and so let us start learning this bhajan line by line, if we can go through. So it is like this. Chitha Chora Muraliwala.
Chitta Chora Muraliwala.
Chitha Chora Muraliwala.
Chitta Chora Muraliwala.
So in all the bhajans, if it is a Namavali type, there's one more additional thing which I want to share with you. The bhajan itself is very easy, okay? But whenever we address a bhajan like this, what I have learned in Puttaparthi is Chitta Chora Muraliwala. Hey, oh Krishna, oh Lord, like that. Oh, hey Trai, hi Trai, you say that, right? So if you can communicate with Lord, it automatically, people who are following you, oh, something is different. They'll think. So these are the bhajans where you can add that little bit communication to it. Chitta Chora Murali Wala. Can you do that?
Chitha Chora Muraliwala.
So first time when you sing plain. Chitha Chora Murali Wala.
Chitha Chora Muraliwala.
Murali Wala.
Muraliwala.
It's like it will come automatically when you practice. It's like you're talking, hey, that hey feeling, okay? Uh, chit, second time when you sing this line, Chitta Chora Murali Wala.
Chitha Chora Muraliwala.
Chitta Chora
Chitha Chora
Murali Wala.
Muraliwala.
Chitta Chora Murali Wala.
Chitha Chora Muraliwala.
Very good. Nandalala Nanda Gopala.
Nandalala Nanda Gopala.
Nandalala. It's a bit different, okay? Nandalala. It's like you're actually loving Krishna and singing this. Hey, like Nandalala Nanda Gopala.
Nandalala Nanda Gopala.
Nandalala
Nandalala
Nanda Gopala.
Nanda Gopala.
You got it. I'll combine this second line together, okay? Nandalala.
Nandalala.
You got it. Nandalala Nanda Gopala.
Nandalala Nanda Gopala.
The second part is perfect, okay? Nandalala Nanda. Just slight pause if you give, it's automatically you will get it very easily. Nandalala Nanda Gopala.
Nandalala Nanda Gopala.
Good, you got it. Nandalala Nandalala.
Nandalala Nandalala.
Nandalala Nandalala.
Nandalala Nandalala.
So let me sing in high portion and show you what I sang because it's really low for me. But I think Nandalala, that swing, Nandalala, Nandalala. That swing, let me sing it low, okay? Nandalala, Nandalala.
Nandalala Nandalala.
Nandalala. You got the idea, right? So maybe it is still too low for you. Uh, uh, Basically, if you want, I can always change the scale, but I think the higher line goes so high. It's optional to sing. You don't have to sing what I'm telling you to sing exactly, but it will be nice to have because it's more Western. This rag is the most commonly used Western raga. It's called Shankarabharanam. Like sa re ga ma pa da ni sa ni da pa ma ga re sa. So it's very easy. Most of the English songs are all in this raga. So Nanda, that swing will be very nice. Nanda la la, Nanda la la. Can you do that?
Yeah. Nandalala
Good. Nice. You got it.
Nandalala.
You got it. So that is where you give a pause, light pause, and automatically everything will be all right. Okay. Nanda la la, Nanda la la.
Nandalala
You
Nandalala.
got it. Okay. Let's do the first three lines. Chitha Chora Muraliwala.
Chitha Chora Muraliwala.
Chitha Chora Muraliwala.
Chitha Chora Muraliwala.
Nandalala Nandalala.
Nandalala Nandalala.
Got it. Perfect. It was very nice. Nandalala. That with love. Nandalala Nandalala.
Nandalala
That's right.
Nandagopala.
Nandalala. First time, every time it is plain. You saw that? Nandalala. Nandalala.
Nandalala Nandalala.
Second time. Nandalala. Nandalala.
Nandala Nandalala.
Two last didn't come this time, okay?
Oh,
Nandalala. Nandalala.
Nandalala
Got
Nandalala.
it. Completely right. Okay. Let's go to the next part. Okay. Brindavana Shyama Gopala.
Brindavana Shyama Gopala.
Brindavana Shyama Gopala.
Brindavana Shyama Gopala.
Here there is no variation. Okay. Twice you can sing this. Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala.
Sorry, can you repeat that again?
Mathura Vraja.
Mathura Vraja.
That's enough. Mathura Vraja.
Mathura Vraja.
Gokula Bala.
Gokula Bala.
Gokula Bala.
Gokula Bala.
Mathura Vraja Gokula. That's no distance.
Oh, okay.
This is a Panita Papa. Okay. Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala.
How does it?
Mathura Vraja.
Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala.
Mathura Vraja Gokula Gokula Gokula.
Oh. Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala.
Got it. Only thing is, don't link these two. Let's do the Gokula Bala alone separately. Gokula Bala.
Gokula Bala.
Gokula Bala.
Gokula Bala.
got it. Okay, now let's combine. Okay, combine, but wherever there is Mathura Vraja, slight pause and Gokula Bala, you go, you will be perfect. Okay, Mathura Vraja Gokula, Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala.
Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala.
Now slowly try to connect these two now because it's a connecting note. Okay, let me sing the connected part. Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala.
Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala.
You did 95% perfect. Okay. Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala.
Mathura Vraja
Don't land there. Okay. Mathura Vraja Gokula 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 yeah.
Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala.
Yes, you got it. You got it. Okay. Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala.
Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala.
Perfect. Manamohana
Manamohana
Madana Gopala.
Madana Gopala.
That's easy for you, okay? Now let's combine it, okay? Let me sing it combined, then you follow, okay? Manamohana Madana Gopala.
Manamohana
Manamohana.
sorry.
Okay?
Manamohana Vadana Gopala.
I hope you have the lyrics also in front of you. You have it?
No,
Okay,
I have to
no
pull
worries,
it up.
no worries.
Yeah.
Manamohana Madana Gopala.
Manamohana Vadana Gopala.
You got it, completely got it, okay? Nandalala, Nandalala.
Nandalala
That is second time. Always first time sing plain, then the complicated one which you sing will sound better. Okay, then you will feel as though you're innovating a little by little, okay? Nandalala, Nandalala.
Nandalala.
No, listen to it. Nandalala, Nandalala.
Nandalala.
You got it. Yeah. Nandalala,
Nandalala.
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 Now you sing the other one which you already know. Nandalala, Nandalala.
Nandalala. Nandalala.
The ending of every line is up to you to do what you want to, okay? So, what did I do? Nandalala, Nandalala. I did something different, okay? So, if you feel you can remember that, you can do that, okay? Nandalala, Nandalala.
Nandalala.
Superb.
Nandalala.
Nandalala Nanda Gopala.
Nandalala Nanda Gopala.
Nandalala Nandalala.
Nandalala
You got it.
Nandalala.
Perfect. See that note, that swing. Nandalala. That sounds very sweet, because of that kind of a minor note and coming back. Nandalala, Nandalala.
Nandalala Nandalala.
So That is how you sing this bhajan. Okay, you already completed it. Listen to it. Okay. Chitha Chora Muraliwala, Chitha Chora Muraliwala, Nandalala Nandagopala, Nandalala Nandagopala, Nandalala Nandalala, Nandalala, Nandalala. Brindavana Shyama Gopala, Brindavana Shyama Gopala, Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala, Mathura Vraja Gokula Bala, Manamohana Madana Gopala, Manamohana Madana Gopala, Nandalala Nandalala, Nandalala Nandalala, Nandalala, Nandalala Nandagopala, Nandalala Nandagopala, Nandalala Nandalala, Nandalala Nandalala. If it is towards the end of the bhajan, if this is the last bhajan, then you can go back to the high line, you can sing Nandalala, 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 Nandalala. Don't do this in the middle of the bhajan. If this is the last bhajan and you are finishing it, then people feel excited to sing that high part. Okay, so that is just a tip, but do not use it unnecessarily. But still, I wanted to give you a little bit of, how nice this bhajan can grow into. So thank you for learning, Trai, and it was such a beautiful experience singing along with you. Okay, Sairam.
Thank you, Sairam.